I got bad news today, not what I needed.
Oh?
She left. She left. Can you believe it? My ex.
My ex.
Since this evening, and I knew.
He knew.
And I knew.
He knew.
If I'm gonna die alone, I'm probably gonna haunt you. I just want a few
wins
before the end begins.
I need a win.
Don't need me a doctor's note or some pills to numb the pain.
I need a win.
Don't need inspirational quotes on my come down walk of shame.
I need a win. 'Cause this bad luck isn't moving. And I'm sick of always losing.
Laughing at my bills like, how can I afford this? Crying at the tills like, I cannot ignore this. I forgot my ID, bouncer wants to fight me. If I made a movie, would anybody like me? Unlikely, that's okay though. I'd rather risk it all to spin a wheel on a game show. Hit the jackpot, be a big shot, quit my job just for once.
I need a win.
Don't need Oprah Winfrey quotes, cause they make me feel insane.
Man, I need a win.
Don't need righteous talk show hosts saying it's the price of fame.
I need a win. 'Cause this bad luck isn't moving. And I'm sick of always losing. I ain't got the time for second chances, second guessing myself like damn it. I don't wanna tell you that I'm damaged, but I'm kinda damaged. Dancing to some somber tones. I ain't really sober though, my homie nearly overdosed. I sip that vodka, bro, I ain't sipping anymore. I ain't slipping, tell me more. And I just felt like 20 times. I'm still alone, I just like the first time. So let it go, all that negativity, animosity, and anger. You don't owe them any answers. You just owe yourself. Take a break, take a beat. You should love yourself. Ask a friend, take a knee. You should ask for help. Is this bad bus finally moving? For there's no love lost and losing.
I got good news today, can you believe it?
Good work, okay. Nice one. Yeah, really enjoyed that. The Blizzards are touring Ireland in the coming months. Starting in Listowel on November 29th. They've just added a second show in Whelan's on December 7th. All details on theblizzards.ie. And to Tebi Rex on their late debut, despite your comments on chat show hosts. I enjoyed that immensely. Congratulations. You're always welcome back. Thanks, lads. Thank you.